Good morning, friends. Today I am going to Egypt from Bengaluru via Dubai, and I am flying Emirates Airlines this morning. So let's do this trip together. This is the Bengaluru airport. So I am taking the 10:30 a.m. flight to Dubai first on Emirates. Just going to the gate. This is our plane for today. It's a Boeing 777-300 extended range aircraft. So my flight is from Bengaluru to Dubai with a layover of about 2.5 hours in Dubai, and then the onward flight from Dubai to Cairo. I'm flying economy class today along with my mom. The leg space is quite adequate. I wouldn't call it very spacious, but it's fine for a 3.5 hour journey. The total flight cost that I paid was around rupees 67,500 for one person, including the preferred seat selection. So I got a twin seat booked actually for an extra cost of about 1,500 rupees. So the nice pair of headphones too, along with blanket. So headed for the takeoff. This is the reputed ICE infotainment system of Emirates. They have a huge variety of channels. So flight is taken off, and that's the view of the Bengaluru city. So after takeoff, I opted for the Hindu vegetarian meal that has just come now. Take a look at it. Consists of salad, potato salad, and then pav bread, and some lemon rice kind of thing, along with a curry and some savory mix and roasted cashew nuts. The dessert is the rasmalai. Let's dig into it. They have steel cutlery as well, followed by the coffee. There is mood lighting as well on the roof. The meal was sumptuous and the quality was awesome. So we are approaching Dubai now after about 3 hours 20 minutes. That's the landing in Dubai for you. So as I said, the total to and fro flight cost came to INR 67,500 from Bengaluru to Cairo and return. And I booked this through Emirates website. So just landed in Dubai. The time is around 12:50 p.m. local. The flight had departed Bengaluru at around 10:35 a.m. It's the Dubai Airport terminal. It lands in Terminal 3 of Dubai Airport. So I'm making my way to the connections area in Terminal 3. My onward flight to Cairo will also be from Terminal 3 since it's Emirates Airlines. These are the various duty-free shops in Terminal 3. It's humongous actually. There is a Marhaba lounge as well, which you can use if you have priority pass card. And this is our flight for today. It's an Airbus A380-800 double-decker jumbo jet to Cairo. It's a massive aircraft which is very spacious, and the turbulence is less felt in this. I have traveled before to the US as well on this A380. So I opted for the extra legroom seat. This is my mom. I got a wing seat actually because I had selected the extra legroom seat. So this is the vegetarian meal. It's again pretty much the same thing, like potato and a mixed veg salad, except the dessert is a little different. It's kind of a pudding. We have the mango pickle and some savory mix, and this is the cheese along with some crackers and cashews. This is the Asian vegetarian meal option, which you can select while booking the flight. This is the pulao and then paneer curry. The taste is okay, nothing outstanding, but it satisfies your hunger. So we are flying over the Red Sea now as we approach Cairo. It's a pretty sight to behold. Approaching Cairo from the southern part of Jordan. About to land now in Cairo. I couldn't capture the landing part because it's a wing seat and the view is not fully visible. That's the back view from the window. So just landed in Cairo. The immigration was very smooth as I took the meet and greet service at the Cairo airport from the tour agency Twitter Egypt Travel. And now we will be driven to the hotel. So I chose to stay at Ramses Hilton Hotel, which I booked through Make My Trip. The cost was rupees 12,000 around per night, and I have booked for 4 nights. So it takes about 40 to 45 minutes to reach the city center hotel from the airport. Acquiring the tourist visa for Egypt was very easy too. I took it online on the official website, that is visa-to-egypt.go.eg. You just need to upload the front page of your passport and just pay $25 using your credit card. That's our hotel, Hilton, and the visa came within a day for us. Just make sure to choose the group option while applying for the visa in the form and have a tour booked from a local tour agency. So this is our hotel room. It's on the 7th floor and it's a twin room with Nile River view. You can see the 6th October bridge and an exhilarating night view of the Nile River. So those are the cruise ships, I believe. This is the twin room with double bed. Double twin beds actually. And then you have the regular features like TV and coffee tea maker. This is the bathroom. We have a bathtub over here, and this is the commode and the child bathing area. That's the wash basin along with toiletries provided. It's a 5-star hotel. This is the closet with locker as well. So that's all in this vlog, folks. Hope you enjoyed this journey from Bengaluru to Cairo. Until the next time and the next vlog, take care and thanks for watching.